Welcome friends. In our previous tutorial, we have seen various data types in MySQL. In this tutorial, we will create, alter and drop one table. So first, let me create a table. But before we create a table, we have to select a database. As you can see in the object browser, I have created one database, my app data. So to select that database, run use and then database name, which is my app data. And let's run this query. You can see the database is being selected. Now to create a table, let's first explore the tables here, which is nothing. So let's create one. And to create a table, there is a very simple query, which is create table, then the table name, which will be users, then the column name, which is ID, and then its data type, which is int for the ID column, then comma to add another column. We have given it name username, and its data type is varchar, and then its length, which is 10, then comma for a new column's name, which is password, varchar, and its size, let's say 20. And let's execute this query. As we execute this query and refresh it, it shows one table and its name is users as we have given. If we explore users, there are many elements like columns, and these are the columns: ID, username and password. I have mistakenly added this, so I'll remove it first. Then indexes, foreign keys and triggers, which we will be covering in further tutorials. So this is how you can create a table. Now let's say I want to add one more field or one more column to this table. Well, to do that, there is an alter table query, which is alter table, then the table name, which is users in this case, and then write add if we want to add any new column. Let's say name, and then we have to give its data type. Let's say varchar 50. So it will add one column to our table. Let's execute this. And now let's go ahead and check the columns in our table from the object browser. Let's refresh it. As you can see, a new column name is being added. And here you can see the information about the column. Now let's say we want to remove or drop the column. So This is very simple. We will use the same query, but this time we don't need this data type. We just need the name of the column which we want to remove. And instead of add, we will write down drop. So the query will be alter table, then the table name, drop, and then the column name. If I execute this query, it will remove the name column from our table. Let's do that. If we go ahead and check it, the name column has been gone. Similarly, to drop entire table, there is a one simple query which is drop table and then the table name. In this case, it is users. If I execute this query, it will drop this table, but we need this table to perform some practicals. I will not drop this. So this is how you can create, alter, and drop tables in a database using MySQL Workbench. Thank you.